It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Peppers. Now, they sell these off at my supermarket, wonky veg. Well, peppers aren't exactly brilliant anyway, straight uniformed or anything. But some of these, just look at the size of them. So the big ones, I'm going to do stuffed peppers with those. So I'll go through the bags and sort out the big ones. Those 4 bags of peppers, I've got 5 nice big ones that I'm going to actually stuff. I thought I'd show you as well. There's a little one in the bag. I've saved a few whole ones and they'll be going in a salad in the week, and the rest of them I've chopped up. I'm going to lay this bag flat in the freezer, and whenever I'm doing a stir fry or anything like that, I can put a few in. I have some cooked cold basmati rice here. The reason that it's yellow is because I put turmeric in it and it sends it a lovely colour, and turmeric's supposed to be good for if you've got swelling joints, so I've heard, so I keep putting it in. Plus, I think it makes the rice look nice. I've got too much of everything, but there's the rice in first. In here I've got a diced carrot, a diced red onion, some celery and mushrooms. So in that all goes. Won't leave any little bits behind. Also, I have a load of cut up tomatoes, diced tomatoes. You could use tinned, and also I've got some fresh garlic. You could use powdered or granules, but I've got fresh. So I'm just going to combine everything. We want some salt and pepper in now. I'm going to have to invest in a proper non-squeaky pepper mill. You could put other things in it. I don't think I'll bother. I want to know why any pan you want to use, pan, plate, dish, whatever, is always at the bottom. So there's my roasting tin. Now I could stand them up, but I don't particularly want them stood up, so I'm going to have them lying down. So, oh, I've chopped some pineapple up as well. I forgot to put that in. I'm going to cut these in half completely down the middle and through. I'm going to take out the seeds. That's not worked out as well as I thought with these on the side. So I might not be using those. Let's just see if getting them on the what I could do is cut them in half. That's what cooking is. It's all an experiment, a trial and error. The thing is, doing it this way, you're left with that. So now I'm just going to stuff them as much as I can with this. It's dripping all over. But, as I say, I've got way too much. I'm going to roast these as well. And I might as well roast them in this pan, seeing as they're all dripping over there. When I was doing stuffed mushrooms earlier, there was some left over, so I'm going to add that. And now I've stuffed them and I've still got a load left. I'm going to put them all the way around it, I think. So this actually will make more than one meal for me and Lurch. Completely vegetarian. Vegan as well. Let's just drizzle a bit of olive oil over it. It looks good enough eaten now, and you could eat it now, but because the rice is cooked, there's no meat in it, and everything else you can eat raw. But I'm going to chop these bits of peppers up, add them to it, and then put it in the oven for about 20 minutes or so on medium to high heat.
It's a